Good afternoon, students. I am Sahi sir, your English teacher from Kendri Vidyalaya Balia. Today I want to tell you about prepositions. Prepositions. There are so many prepositions, but I want to tell you about few of them. Suppose, see here, in, into, on, over, to, from, under, between, behind, at, so many. So I will tell you about these prepositions by the help of several activities. Students, we are not in our school. There we have so many teaching aids, but at home I will show you several teaching aids. See here, this is stool, pen, figures. By the help of these teaching aids, I want to make you understand about these prepositions. See about in. In. Here is a pen. And where is the pen? If I will ask you, where is my pen? Then you will answer that, sir, your pen is in your pocket. In. Here the pen is kept before. It is kept here, so it will say in. But I will keep here, I am keeping here this pen. The pen is going in the pocket. The pen is going, there is movement. The pen is going, see here, there is movement. Then I will say, I am keeping my pen into the pocket. If it is here, it is kept before, then it is in. But when it is going in the pocket, so I will say, the pen is going into the pocket. Clear? Next. On, over. See here once again. Here is pen. And the pen is on the head. Where is the pen? The pen is on the head. See, this one is my cell phone. And where is your phone? The phone is on my head. It is touched here. So I am using on. But when it will not touch here, see, where is the pen now? The pen is over my head. It is not touching here. The pen is over my head. So if it is touching, then it will say on. When it is not touching here, then it will say over. Suppose here is a fan. So where is a fan? The fan is over my head. And where is Shahi sir? Shahi sir is under the fan. Under. Under. Under means just lower side. See here. See here. See here. Where is my pen? The black pen is lying under the stool. It is under the stool. Clear? Now, where is the cell phone? The phone is under the stool. But now where is the phone? The phone is over my head. Okay. Now see. To, from. To. When we going nearer to someone, we will use to. But when we go away, then we will use from. See here. See. See here. Sahi sir is going to the gate. Now I will use another video.